All right, y'all. It is time to start the Advent calendar. I'm so excited. I think I need to put another number on these so that I know which day it is actually. This is day 24 technically. All right, so this is a winter kit. This is a winter Advent calendar picture. Hello, Wally. Are you joining me? Could you move, please? Could you move? Thank you. All right, let me turn some light on. It's barely 7 right now. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, I got foil. Oh, it's pink foil, but I got foil. Okay, make sure nothing else. Okay, go. I have a little helper today, don't I? Yes, I do. Let's go. All right, so let's look. Okay, so I got deco. Oh, that's cute, like a peppermint desserts and drinks and stuff. All right. Oh, this is cute. This is like for a page. This would do for a page in my my hybrid, my dailies. And I love this. I mean, it is pink, and y'all know I'm not a fan of pink, but this is cute. Wally, really. So stinking cute. Okay, so I may... Oh, I like this. Y'all can't see her. She's now on my shoulder. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay. Cool. Cool. I like, oh my. Okay. I can't wait to see the rest of it. I'm going to put this back in the box. She really wants to be petted. I think she's telling me she's hungry. Let me put it back in here. And, all right. So, I will see y'all tomorrow for the next one. I definitely think I need to number these 24 through 1. And, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good afternoon, y'all. Okay, so I came home to charge my watch so that I can go out tonight and see a comedy show with a friend. So, I didn't get a chance this morning, so let's open up envelope, which is now 23. See? Because I numbered them. And I'm going to take this out so we can see. Now, this is the first Christmas envelope because the foil sticker is gold. The winter envelopes, the foil sticker is silver. And this is day 23. My sinuses have been draining. Alright, come on. Oh, cute. Well, I hope they all come like this. I will have dailies for days. Okay, and this is very much, no, yeah, same color. It's pink. Y'all know. But I like it. It's very shiny. See? At least it's not a pale pink. Now this is a pale pink. So you got your deco. And you got your 1-page sticker set. This is cute. Trying to see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 3 stickers up there. It's easier to tell on this one. Yeah. Okay. Cute. So, this is today. This is a Christmas one. This is a winter one. I wonder if they're all going to be one-pagers with deco and foil. I can't say that I'm mad about that. At all. Alright, y'all. So, I'll put these in something shortly. I will. Yep. But right now, I just want to keep them in their envelopes. Alright. I will see y'all tomorrow for the next envelope. Good morning, y'all. Oh. I was in a smoke-filled room last night, and I don't smoke. Man, my sinuses are killing me. They were already bad yesterday. Whew. Okay. We have day 22 to open. And I put my watch back on to charge last night, but I did pull it out. It is 7:30. Oh, well, I'm awake. Comedy show was good, though. It was good. Okay, day 22. It is the winter advent. Ooh, I like these. Different colors. Oh, yes. So much more my liking. It's kind of a teal. It's very much kind of a teal. Oh, I like this. Is that a gnome? That's a whole, like, deco, what do you call it? Overlay. That's an overlay. That is cute. I don't know if that's a gnome or not. We'll have to look at the pictures. So here's the deco. Lots of mountains. Oh, there's the birds. And that cabin. And these look like jars. I don't know. I'm so tired. And these are very gray and green. And it's pretty. It looks more blue on the camera. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So, see, if you have, and I don't have it with me right now. I do not. Hey, just a second. If you have, now, if you have the Happy Planner, these would work in this, but you would need, because they're the same width, but you would need more. A lot more. This, if you're not a no white space planner, where'd it go? Oh, there it went. I glitched. If you are a no white space planner, this would last you 3 days, and then you could do a different one over here. Yeah, so, but these will work with this. This is the weekly. Where's the other set? Here it is. So these boxes are the size of this right here. But these would work great for one day of this. Because these fit over here. So with this, in one of these boxes, you've got your deco little pieces that would fit over here and in here. These would fit here nicely. This would fit over here nicely. So, all right. And I do know people who take those dailies and they use one kit, like, you know, a piece of a kit each day, and each day is different, and they don't use the whole kit for a whole week like I do. So this may be just what I need to try to start doing that. Okay, so we are up. We've got 3 days done, and tomorrow is Sunday, and we'll do day 21. All right, y'all. I will see you tomorrow. Hey, y'all. All right, so this is day 21 of the Advent calendar. It is day 11 of the Christmas Advent. Now, I opened it, and then I was having some computer issues, but I haven't taken it out yet. So let's take it out, and let's look at it. Okay, pretty. Let's see. Ah, there it is. It was hiding. So, poinsettias. Pretty. So, well, hello, Wally. I was ignoring her, so she had to jump up here. Hi, babe. Hello. You gonna tell all the people hello? No, you're just gonna look out the window? Okay. Hi. Hi. Can I look at my pretties in the envelope real quick, please? Can I please? Can I please? Please? Silly girl. Move. Move. Thank you. So we have poinsettia. Oh. And holly. I just made a ceramic holly dish at the ceramic place in Prattville. It was a class. I'm going to have to do this one-handed. Oh, I like the green. The green is pretty. Right? I can't with you, crazy cat. I can't. And then we have our sheet. Oh, gosh. Look. Wawa. Wawa. Come on, baby girl. Let Mama show everybody this. They want to see this. This is cute. I may use some of these in my dailies closer to Christmas. Okay. So, oh, I didn't even know. Look, see, you've got me so distracted. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. I didn't even see the candy canes. You can't either because Wally is being extra. See the candy canes? Oh, that's pretty. And the bell. So, yeah, sorry. And I really want to try these foils. And they're upside down. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to go and I'm going to put this together. Yeah. She's rotten, isn't she? Look, 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 look up, look up, look up, look up. You're such a pretty girl. So, all right. Ow, 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 don't bite. I know I stopped petting you. Oh. So I have day 24 through 21 done. All right. Tomorrow, Monday, see what else I got. Until then, bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.